Grange Garage Door Company Limited has been providing quality garage products to customers in Northumberland and North Tyneside for more than 17 years. We specialise in sectional, roller and side-hinged garage doors, up and over systems and remote control systems and Lakeland awnings. With over 30 years industry experience, we can help you choose the best door for your needs, including Horman, Novafirm, Wessex, Cartec, Priory, Lakebird, Glide Roll, Garador and SWS. All our doors are fully guaranteed. Visit our website for more details, a free site survey and quotations. Call Grange Garage Door Company Limited.